I've got the May Allure Box. So if you want to see what's inside and if there was any choice items this month, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe just got home from school and Bandit is chasing after any snacks that could be found. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Allure Beauty Box is a box put out by the editors of Allure magazine. You're going to get some full size and some samples. They tend to deliver every month a very good box for a nice price. So it's in like the $20 range. It is monthly and you can get a deal if you go annually. I think they might have some 3 and 6 month deals. I go annually, so I think I get it for around like $20 or even $18 or $19 a box. But if you're not willing to commit, check it out for even 1 month. They are usually some really great boxes. I do have them on my channel. I've been getting this for some time now. So if you are interested, go back and check out some of the other ones and see if it's the kind of thing that interests you. We have a little flyer. It does say that, and this just came out on May 13th, was their Reader's Choice Awards box. It says $129, but I feel like they just advertised this or sent me an email for less. I don't think it was $129. And then they also have a Bloom and Brighten box for $100. And this has a lot of different scents in there. I was actually looking at that because I was like, oh, it's got a lot of perfumes in there. I bet you I would like that. Here is your sneak peek. Now, the very first item was our choice item, and it is by Fenty Beauty. And it is the Fenty Cheeks Suede Powder Blush. You could either get it in Lollipoppy, Sundress Season, Summertime Wine, or Petal Poppin'. And I got Sundress Season, which I think was a peachy color. I do have one of the more pinky colors. So there is the packaging. There is how it looks, and we'll put a little bit on to see. So there it is on my finger. So it's a nice light color. I'm going to just build it up so you guys can actually see it. But this is really building it up and going in 3 times. So buffing it out, you can get just a nice pretty glow. And I do like that about these Fenty powders. They're very velvety feeling and they do just give like this really pretty glow. And that's a $28 value. So already I've got the cost of my box back. Next, by Color Wow, we have the Raise the Root. This is a spray you would put on your roots to kind of give yourself a little more lift. And Thicken and Lift Spray, it's called. This is 50 milliliters. The full size of 150 milliliters is $24. So we got a third of that. It says you can use it on dry or damp hair. So it's great for saving time on wash days or for refreshing your style. And you're going to spritz the mist wherever you want volume and then style your hair however you normally would. So it looks like you would put maybe some heat on after that. I missed a page. Let me go back. By Haus Labs, we have the PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze in Guava. So Haus Labs is the Lady Gaga brand. This looks like a really pretty color. So I thought the choice item was a lipstick. That might be the June choice. So I didn't put on a lip product specifically for that, but we do have a lip product. So all right, so there it is. I really like the color. I think it's a nice color. It's a good, like, everyday. a nice summer color too, I think. It's almost like my lip color, but enhanced with some nice gloss to it. Not sticky, feels nice on. I love it. And that's a $24 value. Next by Elemis is the Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. And this is 15 milliliters, so it is a sample size. The full size of 50 milliliters is $75. And it says it's a sleeping mask. Now it says if you've been hesitant to try a sleeping mask, maybe because you don't want gunk on your pillow, yes, absolutely. You'll be happy to know that this gel wears comfortably all night long and stays on your skin. It feels soothing going on and leaves skin feeling softer and looking refreshed by the morning. So that's kind of nice. I mean, I do have silk pillowcases, so I'm always concerned what I put on my face might transfer. Try to do it early enough so that doesn't happen. But it's nice to know that there's something like that that isn't going to transfer. Next by Aceology is their Passion Fruit Refining Lip Scrub. Now this is 15 grams. I like passion fruit. That sounds delightful. And you're going to just squeeze it out. I'm not going to open it yet because I have one open. The sugar granules are gritty enough to slough off dead skin and in turn make your lips silky soft but not so harsh you're left feeling raw. It gently buffs chapped lips to create a smooth, even canvas for your lipstick, and it smells amazing, sweet like passion fruit. So this is $29 for 0.5 ounces. And this is 0.5 ounces, so this is a $29 value. Next, you would have gotten one of three, and they would select it, you don't choose. By Babor is the Collagen Firming Ampule, the Perfect Glow Ampule, or the Hydra Plus Ampule. So these are single sizes. Now mine fell out, it's right here. And I got the Hydra Plus. I think I've tried this one before. So you're going to press down and turn, and it's going to, and then you're going to pop off the capsule. This is glass, so you do have to be careful, particularly the first time I did this, it was uneven, and that was unpleasant. I got a little cut. But it says the science nerd in us loves the ampules lock-in ingredient breakdown. Oh, ampules look and ingredient breakdown. I have my glasses on, so you're getting one of the three, and each treats skin to thoughtful ingredients like skin brightening lactic acid, smoothing peptides, or moisturizing sunflower seed oil. And so these go from between $50 to $35 for $14 milliliters, and 2 milliliters is in the box. So I don't know which one was 35 and which one was 50. I did get the Hydra Plus, which is for dry, dehydrated skin. It's a multi-dimensional hydrating and plumping formula. This is, gotta get my glasses to read this. It looks like it's vegan. 100% vegan, dermatologically tested, and clean beauty. And these come from Germany. And then last, and you know, this always obsessed me to see something like this. So seeing this in an Allure, like I would not expect this, foil packets. You know, I hate, if you want to throw in foil packets as not adding to the value, I'm cool with that. But foil packets, to me, I think that's kind of a cheat in anything. These are the, and particularly this brand is not an expensive brand. This is the Eva NYC H2 WHOA or H2WO Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. It says it is the enemy of frizz and flyaways. and it does a great job of infusing moisture with ingredients like hyaluronic acid. And it says it is $28 for 600 milliliters. So I'm guessing that's for both, because this isn't a very expensive brand. 20 milliliters is included in the box. So again, kind of a cheat. If you had given a sample size, I would have been cool with that. But packets, I mean, I'll probably get 2 uses out of this, but most folks with longer or thicker hair are only going to get 1 use. Plus, once you've opened it, it's kind of like ungainly in the bathroom. But everything else I'm super excited about, so I'm going to overlook that because it was just a small thing in the whole scheme of it. So tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite item? Mine, I don't know. It's between the blush and the lipstick. If I have the lipstick on right now, I'm going to say the lipstick, but it's one of the two. But let me know your thoughts. Let me know your favorite item. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.